fancy seeing you here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. My name is Sarah and I'm so glad you're here. I am a 29-year-old, almost 30, crazy, who lives in the East Bay in Northern California, and I work in digital marketing and social media management, and I love to travel, go to concerts, hang out with friends, you know, just a girl living her life. And today, as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm having an introvert weekend, which I would classify myself as an extroverted introvert. This is the first weekend in quite a while that I have not had like a ton of social plans and a lot of places that I had to be, and I want to take full advantage, and that means I'm gonna do the rounds right now. I am actually going to go to Starbucks, which I have not been to in quite some time, but it's just the closest thing to my apartment, and I need an afternoon pick-me-up, otherwise I'm going to be asleep by 5 p.m. tonight. We're going to hit Starbucks. We're going to go to the hardware store because I want to get a couple of perennials too. I just want a couple of things to brighten it up a little bit out there. And then I think that I also want to stop by TJ Maxx. I have a ton of winter and fall clothes, but I don't have a ton of summer clothes, and so there's just a couple basics I need, and I feel like TJ Maxx should have them. But anyways, with all that being said, let's just head out and do it. Welcome to the video, and I'm so excited to take you guys along for my little introvert weekend. Also, for reference, this is the patio that we're working with right now, so I have some, like, this guy came back. This lavender is working hard on coming back, but then like this is just kind of like weeds that need to go away. And then I have some guys over here. The strawberry plant has been fighting for its life and losing, I think. And then I have some succulents. This guy always goes pretty well. And then unfortunately some herbs died. These are from the farmer's market, but they're doing well. And then this Bulgavania, I don't know exactly how to say it, but that one is coming back from last year, so that's going well. And then I have a bunch of pots and stuff down here that are just like had veggies and fruits and stuff from last year that didn't make it, so we're gonna do a little refresh. I'm hoping that my beets are charged because I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if they are, but I'm praying at this time. Let's go. Guys, I have gotten the goods. I just went through the Starbucks drive-thru and I got an iced brown sugar oat milk chicken espresso, which is the drink that I make at home, but I don't have any milk to make it right now, so I couldn't make it at home. But let's taste test. Okay, that's a really good one. Actually, it had given me the wrong drink. It was like a cold brew with a vanilla cold foam cream, but I tried it and I didn't like it, so I did go back in and they had my drink waiting for me. I've never gotten this before, but I got one of the spicy falafel pockets. I think they're relatively new, and it's just like a vegetarian one, but it's like $3.75 or something. But the girl said that it was really tasty, and I just need like a little snack. I need to go grocery shopping this weekend too. I'm also hosting for my brother's birthday and my mom's birthday, so we're gonna do that on Sunday, which I will show you guys some clips of, but I figured it might be fun to try a new food item together. I also wanted to say that I'm thinking about getting, I did in fact run out of storage right when I was in the middle of talking, but I was saying that I think that I'm wanting to get a new espresso, or not new, I don't have one right now, but I want to get an espresso machine for home because I feel like for the amount of money that I spend on coffee every month, I would very easily make that up if I could be making my own like lattes at home. But if you have any suggestions of machines that are kind of like, I don't necessarily want like the most basic, but I don't want like a super expensive Breville, just something that's like a mid-grade, that's a good starting point, easy to learn, but also like really good quality. If you guys have any suggestions, definitely let me know in the comments below. I added a little sriracha to this, so let's give it a try, and then we're gonna go into TJ Maxx. It's fine. It's not the best thing I've ever had, but it's not terrible either. Definitely with hot sauce. It kind of, I don't think it probably has a lot of flavor without. I didn't know what to expect though, but it's fun to try something new. So cheers. So good morning guys, it is Sunday morning at like 10:15 and at 12 I'm hosting my brother's birthday lunch today. Everybody's coming over and we're doing burgers and it's kind of like Texas barbecue themed. I have a cute outfit I'm gonna put on, kind of matches the theme. I have to put the stuff like the table settings and everything out still, and I want to do some pre-cooking, and I still need to run to the grocery store and I need to get ready. So lots and lots to do in the next hour and 45 minutes. It doesn't all have to be done before they get here. It's super casual, but I just thought it would be fun to take you guys along for kind of like a casual hosting moment today, because I do host a ton and I don't really ever show you guys, which I really want to change. It's only going to be 4 of us I believe today, so really just low stakes, low pressure, plus it's like family and my roommate. So I do have like a couple cute ideas though that I want to execute with you guys, so that will be fun. I just wanted to say good morning, hello, welcome. I think that first and foremost I'm gonna go get ready because I always run out of time to get ready at the end, and it shouldn't take me too long. I'm gonna limit myself to like 20 minutes, but I want to do a quick like my hair real quick, and then my makeup I can do in 5 minutes. When I'm walking on a breeze, I got no enemies, I just do what I please. Yes sir. No things, no money, no means, just a wind in the wings. Guys, my camera's flashing, but I wanted to show you this. This is one of my favorite hosting purchases I've ever made. It's a menus book. I got it off Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested. But I basically like people sign, and I kind of have it as like a little junk journal for not the Polaroids just flying out. Some of them have not been taped in yet, but I like take little Polaroids. Like this was from my dad and my roommate's joint birthday party. They have the same birthday. It was jungle themed. I almost always do a theme, which is super fun, and this is where it just flew out of. But I'll also, like, if I do little invites for the party, which I do for like larger parties, I will put that in there. I'm covering my address, but you can see I just like design these on most of the time Canva, and then everybody like signs, and I'll put little Polaroids and stuff in there. I'll write like what the party was for. Like for example, this is from my Tortured Poets department party that I had, and I just put like little things in there that were from the party, and everyone signed it. And I love when people sign it like on theme. Does my face have a red mark on it? Why does that look weird in the camera? Weird, I don't know. But super fun, and like we dressed up for that one. I dressed up as a literal judge for that. But this was like for Halloween last year. But basically this book is my favorite thing ever, and I force everybody to write in it every time they come over for a party. So like today for my brother's and my mom's birthday, my brother's lined up to sign it right now. But this is so fun, and it's just like a great little memory spot, and people can write whatever they want, and yeah, it's really cute. And like I said, I add Polaroids and stuff to it and little invitations, so it's just like a fun little like scrapbook slash junk journal for hosting specifically, and I love it. So
the jogger's bored. He's like husky shepherd mixed with a bunch of other stuff, like these.
Guys, everybody has left. It was super good. It's my favorite time of day. The sun is shining so much, as you can tell, but I just wanted to sign off and say I hope that you enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Bye.